In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable fast mode here in Blox Fruits. Before we do dive into the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you were to turn on fast mode or turn it off here in Blox Fruits, the first thing that you're going to want to do is first just get into Blox Fruits, because this is actually a setting within the game itself. And once you do, select whatever side you would like. In this case, I'm going to choose Pirates. What you're going to want to do is find the left side of your screen over here and select this tiny little gear icon just above the compass to pull up these settings right here. You're going to see an option for fast mode. Simply go ahead and tick it to turn it off. And then obviously all the materials are going to disable. What this does is essentially begins running the game in performance mode, and you may notice that the game runs a lot better on whatever device you're trying to play it on. But if you do want to disable it, what you're going to have to do is simply close out of Roblox completely, then open Roblox and then rejoin this server. By default, the fast mode is going to be turned off again when you do join. But yeah, that is how easy it is. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.